Hi guys, so I'm back with a crispy fried chicken recipe. It's delicious, it's juicy, it's moist, it's awesome. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make it. So, the secret to avoiding dry chicken when you're frying it is basically brining the chicken first. So, if you're lucky and you remember to do that at least a day before or the night before, awesome. If you don't, that's also fine. You can do this method at least 4 hours before you're ready to fry your chicken. So what you need is water, ice, salt, bay leaves, thyme leaves, parsley, and garlic. So now we're just going to add everything I mentioned into the water. So I'm adding my salt. I added 6 tablespoons of salt. And then parsley, bay leaves, and thyme leaves, dried thyme. Then I'm going to crush some garlic into that. I like garlic, like a lot of garlic, so I mean, you could do that according to your own discretion. But I love garlic. You'll see that soon. Now I'm just going to give everything a quick stir. Now we're going to just simmer this over low heat and then bring it to a boil, and when it starts boiling, we'll take care of the heat. So we're basically doing this to release some of the aromas from the herbs and then dissolve the salt completely. So see, the color has changed. It smells amazing, by the way. It looks like agbosha, but it smells really, really nice. So after this, we're going to pour it into our bowl with ice, and I'm just going to stir the ice round until the ice has completely dissolved in the bowl. I'm doing that to bring down the temperature of the brine so I can put my chicken in it immediately. So this is also going to reduce the amount of salt that I put, or rather it's going to reduce how strong the salt is, so you have something less to worry about. Because I know a lot of people are like will be thinking, oh, 6 tablespoons of salt, that's a lot, but it's really not a lot because it's not like you're cooking the chicken in the brine. You're just soaking the chicken in brine for like 4 hours in the fridge, or 3 hours if you're not going to put it in the fridge. So yeah, that's basically how to make your brine for chicken. So I'm going to put my chicken inside the brine now, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for 4 hours. You could do this for up to 6 hours or overnight. The longer you keep it in the fridge, the juicier your chicken will be. So yeah, now we wait. I've put my oil in my pan on medium heat, and I'm doing that so by the time I'm done my dredging process, the oil will be hot. So I'm going to take a Ziploc, put 3 cups of flour inside, and then season it. I'm going to be using salt, dried cayenne pepper, that's powdered cayenne pepper, and Cajun seasoning. I'm going to give the bag a good shake so all the spices can mix together with the flour properly. So I don't have like some parts of flour that don't have seasoning and then some other parts that are like over seasoned. I took 3 eggs, I broke it into this container and I'm mixing it together. I'm going to put half a teaspoon of salt inside because everything actually needs to be seasoned. Every layer has to be seasoned. So I'm going to mix that properly. It's been 4 hours, so I'm going to take my chicken out of the brine and dredge it in some flour. So I'm going to take out a little bit of the seasoned flour that I made in the Ziploc and put it in a bowl. So I will do the first stage of the dredging process. So I'm going to coat it in flour, then egg, then flour, then I will fry it. So basically, I'm just putting the chicken in the Ziploc. So this is the last stage, and I'm going to give the bag a good shake. So try not to overcrowd the bag with chicken. I just did 3 at a time because if you overcrowd with chicken, the chicken won't get coated properly, and then it'll just be stressful, really, because you'd have just wasted your time. So yeah, taking it out, and then I'm going to do the remaining 3 off camera. So our chicken is finally ready to be fried, and we're just going to fry the drumsticks for 7 minutes on each side, and for the thighs we're going to fry those for 9 minutes on each side. While we are waiting for our chicken to fry, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Finally. So yeah, I made potato wedges, but that will be in another video because this video is getting too long. So please be sure to watch that, and thanks for watching. Please let me know if you try the chicken out in the comment section. Stay blessed.